Ok, da tror jeg det på tide å starte. Jeg vil ønske dere velkommen til webinaret om Skykick Security Manager. Dette et nytt produkt som Skykick har lansert, og som nå tilgjengelig i Cloud Marketplace. Jeg heter Marcena Dabrowska. Jeg jobber innenfor Cloud Vendors i Cloud Marketplace. Det betyr at jeg har ansvaret for de fleste av disse her, borte fra Microsoft og Adobe. Så det meg dere kan snakke med rundt tjenester innenfor i Cloud Marketplace. Mye tjenester innenfor sikkerhet, og det det vi blant annet skal snakke om med den Security Manager. Jeg har også en kollega som heter Sindre Kirkene, som også jobber på sikkerhetsaspektet sammen med meg. I think now it's time to switch over to English because we have two attendees from Skykick here. They can introduce themselves. First, Jens Jepson. Can you say some words about you?
Absolutely. My name is Jens Jepson. I'm actually Swedish, but we'll stick to this one in English. I've been with the company for about a year and a half. With Skykick for about a year and a half, and I'm the senior partner account manager. So I deal with the bigger accounts, and with me, I also have my colleague who's the regional lead, whose name is Theo. Theo, can you take it off as well?
Yeah, definitely. Thanks, Jens. Thanks, Marcena. Thanks for joining. My name is Theo van Bremen. I work at Skykick for almost 4 months now, so I'm a bit of a newbie here, but I've got some extensive experience on the IT channel. So I run the commercial side of the business in the Benelux and the Nordics region. So welcome again to you all. Marcena, next slide.
Yes. Yeah.
So a channel publication, guys, mentioned that 21% of MSP tickets today are related to security access. MSPs can spend hours just for servicing security tickets, but it doesn't have to be headwind. It can also be tailwind. So your people are getting crushed. You need to relieve them. Your customers are saying, I need my MSP to offer security services. So a McKinsey report mentioned that 75% of the customers are looking for MSPs who can help more on security. If you can, the world is yours to oyster. So next slide, Marcena. So with Security Manager, partners can easily find, fix, automate Microsoft 365 security. So let's unpack a bit. There's a saying in security, if you're not able to find it, you're not able to fix it. Security Manager is purpose-built for ITSPs. With Security Manager, partners can easily discover security risks, vulnerabilities, and opportunities across all their customers under management. It deeply scans for vulnerabilities across Microsoft's Graph API and other sources, and turn millions of signals into insightful, actionable, and prioritized dashboards. Once issues are found, you as a partner want to fix them. Fast and efficiently, obviously. Security Manager provides out-of-the-box automation and workflows for security alert remediation and data security. These workflows can take the top security scenarios that customers care about and turn these into a one-click consistent remediation solutions built on the best practices from Microsoft and security specialists around the world. And there's that last part, because you want to automate this. After issues are fixed, the advanced automation capabilities in Security Manager ensures that they remain fixed and that the partners, you guys, can build scalable security business. Scheduling and continuous monitoring allows partner to put top Microsoft 365 security scenarios on autopilot. So Marcena, would you move on to the next slide? Marcena is going to show a demo of myself, so where I go through the user interface of Security Manager. So yeah, please load the video, Marcena.
Yes. And you just tell me if you can see it.
Yeah, I will do that. As promised, yeah. It starts,
Hello,
thanks.
And welcome. Late last year, we launched our new solution, Security Manager, a powerful, easy-to-use application to manage Microsoft 365 security, purpose-built for MSPs. Since then, we have listened to a lot of partner feedback and incorporated the partners' learnings into the product to innovate fast and help our partners be successful on their customer security journey. The result of this is in the Security Manager 1.1 update, which I'm going to take you through today. And my goal for this meeting is to show you how we have simplified the partner experience and brought to light more opportunities to drive revenue. Let's begin with the Security tab. We are learning that Microsoft 365 Security Score, which is a measurement of a company's security posture that is point-based and influenced by specific recommended actions, is becoming the security metric for the partner community. In fact, cyber insurance companies are basing their insurance premiums on the level of the secure score. So it really does pay to be secure. What's great about the Secure Score tab is that the data and insights available are independent of the Microsoft 365 licenses your customers are using. So you can drive meaningful data-driven security conversations with any customer. The first few graphs and give you a view on your average Secure Score across all your customers today and over a period of time. As the Secure Score is based on a recommended action point system, the bottom graphs illustrate with which specific Microsoft products have the largest influence, and additionally, the next view lists the specific actions grouped by points. This is really helpful as it draws focus and priority on the highest leverage activities, so you really can make more impact with a concentrated effort. The last column brings to light the top 5% and the bottom 5% of Secure Score customers. This is incredibly handy as the top 5% can be used to identify referenceable case study examples of what good security looks like, whereas the bottom 5% is targeted list of those in real need of security plan. In summary, the Secure Score page enables you to turn Secure Score into a business growth engine. Let's move to the next tab. The Alerts and Risky User tab helps identify immediate challenges to your customer 365 environment. We can immediately see alerts and risky users, data across customers that can be drilled into by level of priority, red, orange, and yellow. Each of the alerts have a related command, script, or workflow that can be run to quickly fix and remediate. Additionally, as your customers start to adopt richer and higher licensing, Security Manager starts to surface more insights and security intelligence that Microsoft provides via their APIs. This is where the product license view in the middle comes in really handy, as it lists the existing available licensing plans by customer. This licensing information can be critical in renewal discussions, as well as making a case for not only upselling licenses, but adding additional security services. In summary, the Alerts and Risky Users tab highlights immediate actionable insights prioritized to maintain customer security health, as well as the opportunity to upsell higher licenses, tiers, and security services. Finally, let's wrap up on the Customer Review tab. This is my favorite tab because of its practicality for not only external delivery value for your customers, but also internally to improving your security operations. The top row gives you the specific Secure Score today, the Secure Score over time, and the recommended actions to improve the Secure Score. For a specific customer, you can toggle this by customer to do comparisons. I personally like the average Secure Score over time view, as it's a data-driven illustration of your customer security journey. What is interesting is that we are learning that some partners are compensating and goaling their support teams based on Secure Score improvements or maintenance of a high Secure Score. And to me, this is a great example of partner leveraging the insights and bringing it back into improve the business. The bottom row draws the attention to the active alerts, resolved alerts, and the time to resolve the alerts. We are learning that some partners are leveraging the alerts time to resolution information when diagnosing customers dissat because perhaps alerts are taking too long to resolve. Additionally, the data-driven insights can improve the security operations of a partner by helping you answer questions around support SLA, team performance, and overworked alerts. In summary, the Customer Review tab reporting can be shared with your customer as a way to differentiate and provide clarity on how you, as their trusted advisor, and are prioritizing security in their business. And this leads us to how we are seeing partners drive increased revenue through Security Manager. Given how the new solution is, we are seeing partners be really innovative in packaging and bundling their services automated with Security Manager. I'm personally seeing partners changing customers on recurring secure score checks to ensure secure score are improved and maintained. And this creates a monthly value add discussion with the customer how you are bringing proactive in security. Others are performing one-off project services work for those in urgent need of security uplift. Typically, we are seeing pricing models that are either by customer or by user. Overall, there is a broader opportunity of packaging, bundling Microsoft 365 security services into the existing customer contracts and shares that I want to end off with a big thank you for joining me, and we'll hope to speak to you soon. Bye.
So that was a little bit about Security Manager. So Marcel, if you would like to go to the next slide.
Yes. Let's see here.
And Jens is going to speak a little bit more about the business cases and the value add on Security Manager from a real partner perspective, guys. So
Yeah.
this is just what I want to talk to you about a little bit. These
Just
are
a moment, Theo. Just a
sorry.
moment, because I forgot something. We
Okay.
have a chat in the
Yeah.
right,
We
on
have,
the right
definitely.
hand, in the bottom. We have a chat. We really would like you to use it when you have some questions, and we can look through it at the end of the session and see if we can answer those questions. If not, we will answer those questions after the webinar. But please use the chat if you have some questions regarding the Security Manager.
Yeah,
Okay,
thanks
we
for
can
adding.
move on to you.
Yeah, thanks for adding that. We'll definitely pick on those in the Q&A afterwards, and we'll definitely, if we're not able to answer those straight away, we'll pick it up after this webinar. So what I want to talk about with you on this slide is in these quick video tutorials, because those are video tutorials, you will learn about how Security Manager can help you manage your customers' Microsoft 365 security at scale. These can all be shown in a personal meeting with me or one of my lovely colleagues from Skykick, or from also for that matter. So do expect us to reach out to you, and please, we're going to share this with you, and we're going to walk through the videos. So next slide, Marcena.
Yes.
Yes, this is the Cloud Marketplace. So yeah, can you share a little bit more info on that?
Yes. So these are the available offers in the also Cloud Marketplace. This is how they look like. So we have 3 different offers. It's basic, standard, and pro. And the difference is actually the number of users in the Skykick Security Manager portal. So the basic is up to 3 users, standard is up to 10 users, and the pro is up to 20 users, because this is a SKU that is ordered on the reseller level, not on the end customer level. So can you please, Jens, I have a little question about it, about the value. What is actually the added value that the resellers can gain from having a portal like the Security Manager?
It's a little bit like what we've been seeing, that the customers are really caring about security, given what's going on in the world today. And that's a little bit of the problem. That's where the product was born. And partners will then see an experience that there will be an increase in these tickets, like in the related matters, for example, in tickets. So customers, they want to feel like they have this trusted partner to make sure that they can feel like they have the value from the partner, someone who can help them. And with Security Manager, that's where we feel we can help you. You can find it, fix it, and automate and your M365 security. And that's where I kind of see the big picture in. So that's the most important.
You mentioned automation. Can you tell me a little bit more about the automation feature?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can actually do scheduling. So you can do continuous monitoring as a partner, and you can easily deliver like security services towards the end user, and that would then delivers that package towards the end user, or ask the customer, if you want to put it like that, and you can package that towards them, and that will then deliver more MMR for the partner. And we have one specifically good case, for example. It's called MTF. It's a partner. It's an end user or a partner that is using native report from Security Manager, so they can sell the MFA enablement. So MFA enablement details, and including users or manual conditional access. And this report can be handed out to the customer as well. This is an example of what we're happy to discuss when we're having like one-to-one. So there are several different areas where we'll be able to give you different kinds of scenarios where we can help you as a partner.
Perfect. So this was a quick overview over the Security Manager. There's a lot of examples and a lot of things you can do in there, as you can see.